Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse.
How to view password in Microsoft Edge. Well, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to view your password in Microsoft Edge. If your password is on like Booking.com and you don't know your password, or like Timo, Facebook, LinkedIn, and you want to try to open it on another computer or maybe on your phone and you don't know the password to it, or you're in luck. Today, I will show you how to view your password in Microsoft Edge. So the first thing you want to do is open up your Microsoft Edge. Once you're here, click on the three dots on the top right. After clicking on the three dots on the top right, go down until you see settings. Click on settings. Once you're here at settings, so the first thing is you need to do is you need to be here at your profile. Once you're here at your profile, click on passwords. After clicking on password, you will see this. So as you can see right now, I'll choose which one I want. So I'm gonna choose Twitch. I'm just gonna enter the password of my computer. So right now I'm gonna enter my password of my computer. And there you go. There. As you can see. To view my password in Microsoft Office, just press on the show password icon right here. And then we're gonna click it. And there you go. As you can see right now, that is my password. But I'm gonna blur it so nobody knows my password. And there you go. That's how you see your password in Microsoft Edge. And a little tip for you, small tip. Um, your password, you cannot see your password if you didn't click the save icon. So you need to save it. So you need to save your password, enable for you to see your password in Microsoft Edge. So there you go, guys. That's how you view your password in Microsoft Edge. Hope you guys like the video and hope you guys enjoy. Thank you.
If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.